the bottom line is it's really good for both investors and investees, and I'll tell you why. As an angels, and our focus is a Series C and a Series A, and of the 9 portfolio companies that we established since 2 years ago, 3 were found in Resi, and there are many more potentials to identify in Resi. Especially, our focus is not the typical exit like M&A and an IPO, but for them to get the qualified finance. And Resi attract a lot of early startups and biotechs. So from the investors' point of view, especially for angels, that will be a really good platform. And now from the investees' point of view, I also run a couple of biotechs. I took some of those to Resi. There are significant benefits. One is having exposure of a dynamic ecosystem in the United States and abroad is a must. Right. As I said, I think you should have a mindset to get the highest possible returns. In order to do that, you need a money, you need a funds, you need a platform, you need a lot of help. And there are many biotechs that can be competitive, but because they have a limited reach out to opportunities, they lose a lot of opportunities here by doing so. So that's the reason why I encourage my own biotechs to participate, and they have actually done so. And I would be more than supportive for any biotechs or startups who are interested in involving in Resi. Again, you will meet a lot more investors than what you see. For drug discovery, you need 20 million, 30 millions at the stage of Series A, which is very, very, very difficult to raise. Why your company excels over whatever exists in the United States and abroad. And this is where you test your case. The Resi is the place where you can test your case by talking to a lot of investors. I think it's a really great platform. Attending the Resi or meeting the foreign VCs will get you established how to build the narratives. And I think being a storyteller is extremely important. Of course, that has to be substantiated by science, but storytelling is a paramount. You may be able to give a great science presentation, but if you won't be able to tell from the business perspective and the entire context, it's not going to fly. And unfortunately, a lot of the storyteller is extremely difficult to build unless you get exposed to the environment. And this is also, I think this is one major reason why potential investees should attend these meetings to get exposure to become a great storyteller. And that also gives you competitive advantage.